Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to effectively utilize our support section at LikeIT Social. While we sincerely hope you never encounter any issues, we understand the importance of providing you with a seamless support experience. In this guide, we will walk you through the elements of our support section and demonstrate how you can leverage it to provide feedback, seek assistance, and address any doubts you may have. To access the support section, simply navigate to the left-hand menu and locate the bottom element labeled Support. Click on it to gain access to the support section. Once you're in the support section, you'll find a straightforward structure consisting of questions, categories, and dates. Creating a support ticket is a straightforward process. Click on the Add button, select the relevant category for your comment or inquiry, and provide us with all the necessary details. Once you submit the ticket, our team will promptly receive it and work diligently to resolve your concern, provide assistance, or address any comments you may have. At LikeIT Social, we prioritize listening to our users and offering our support throughout your journey. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we genuinely value any suggestions or ideas you have to help us improve our services. In conclusion, the support section is designed to ensure that you receive the assistance you need whenever you require it. We are committed to providing you with the highest level of support and addressing any challenges you may encounter. Feel free to reach out to us, provide feedback, or seek assistance whenever necessary. Thank you for choosing LikeIT Social, and we look forward to helping you make the most out of our platform.